Where should I go? My map's confusing, the streets feel so slow. Excuse me, can you help me, please? I just need to find the subway with ease. 我迷路了怎么办？街上人好多很混乱。请问地铁站在哪？听不懂，哎呀，我好尴尬。Left or right, where do I go? 往左还是往右 ？Straight ahead, is it so? 往前走，对不对 ？I need to find my way today. 今天一定要找到路。They said go straight, but I'm turning back. The bus stop's missing, I've lost the track. It's so far away, my feet are sore. I'm sweating now, couldn't walk anymore. 有人说往前走，可是后来发现要回头。公交车站真是太远，走了一路满头大汗。Left or right, where do I go? 往左还是往右 ？Straight ahead, is it so? 往前走，对不对 ？I need to find my way today. 今天一定要找到路。你看到了，就在那边。Yes, I made it, right over there. 多谢你，真的谢谢。Thank you so much for showing you care. Left or right, now I know. 往左还是往右，我懂了。Walk straight ahead, take it slow. 往前走，慢慢来 I found my way and now I'll say 现在我认识路，可以自己去 Getting lost was fun today 迷路也很好玩